Yes guys, welcome back to Viewers. Today guys, may share lang ako. Dati, yung sa Piso Tab natin or Piso Phone, dito natin kino-connect sa charger. So, very normal na setup po natin yon. Like ganito. Ulit-ulit na yan. And then once po bumalik, hindi na natin yan mapipindot. Pag bumalik na yung time, mag-insert na.
Thank you.
So, ayan.
Your
So,
time
pwede
starts.
tayo makapa-play niyan,
Enjoy.
guys. Ulitin natin.
Please insert coin.
Yan. Namatay rin pati yung sounds. Then, pag gusto bumalik,
Thank you.
okay.
Your
And
time
then,
starts.
yung isa nating
Enjoy.
update ito, guys, pag bumili kayo ng blueprint natin, ang nangyayari niyan is capable na po kayo to control it lahat. Okay, so medyo as of now secret pa muna yung ginagamit natin, pero ito yung nangyayari guys. Kung gusto kong cut off yung time nila,
Please insert coin.
there, andyan pa yung time, then connected pa yan dun sa charger. Okay, so pag i-off natin,
Thank you.
ayan,
Your
ayan.
time starts.
Okay,
Enjoy.
so anong ginawa natin guys? Ito guys, there, sa phone natin. So pag may pipindutin lang ako dito na button,
Please insert coin.
there, then yan,
Thank you.
and then
Your time.
there,
Please insert
and
coin.
then yan.
Thank
So
you.
kung mayroon
Your
kayong
time
another
starts.
app na gagawin
Enjoy.
dito, pwede natin controlin yan. Nandito na yung time or microcontroller yung base ba or anything. It's all yours guys. Nasa inyo na yan hanggang saan yung naiisip nyo. Okay, so that's all for now guys. Thank you for watching.